Okay, guys, we're gonna open this. A blind box.
You
I
bought
bought
somewhere?
I bought it from a store, and I don't know what store, so it's okay. And here's my friend Kiko. She's new, so
Not new.
yeah, you are. This is the first time you went on my screen, but like, let's unbox. Okay, so there's these, and I want this one. This or Bobby.
Where do you open it?
Yeah, it's like 39 yuan. That's so cheap. It's really cheap. Don't see it. Wait,
Udah kelihatan.
it's the big one. We got the pig.
Close.
We got the pig. Yay, Bobby. That's so cute. It's like, is this from Shin-chan? I really wanted the Shin-chan one. This one is cute. But I can buy again because it's really cute.
Nih, lo klik. Terus habis itu
Salib bro, salib.
Hah?
Salib.
itu udah lo kan.
Oh my god. What is this? I don't know what
Ini
is
ada
this.
lo
Where's the
sampel
key?
nih.
I think it's look at this. Oh wait, it's a pocket. So like you can put a keychain and then there's money here. There's money. No, there's not.
You can't get free money.
I mean you could.
Lagi.
Work.
Work it. Okay.
Kalau
works
kita
already.
hibah dia.
Thank you for watching. My brother too. Bye.